Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are new, my name is Shar. This is Dollars into Dreams. We are closing out my second paycheck of June. I can finally see what my checks are going to be. And so I am ready to go over that with you. So let me get my pen. Okay, so my full-time paycheck, I gotta turn my page. My full-time paycheck came in at $1835.30. And then my part-time came in at $887.60. My other, which is money coming from my kids for their cell phone, that is $60. And then we are not rolling over anything into this paycheck. So my total income for this pay period is $2,782.90. Okay, so for my fixed bills, for my mortgage, I split it in half between two paychecks, so that is $618. And then I have a subscription here for my channel, and that is $11.99. I have another subscription here for my what is that? Credit score monitoring, so that's $39.95. My pest control is $56.25. And then cell phone for me and two of my children is $92. Now, my two student loans, or my two servicers that hold my student loans, Navient is a $133. I do split these up between both paychecks. And then Mohila is $222. So my fixed bill section, we're at $1,173.19. So then I'm going to subtract that from my income, and we are left with $1,609.71. Then to my variable section, for my Discover credit card, $400 is like the base payment amount that I've set for myself. I am not allocating anything for therapy or medication. For my variable, these are what I keep in my wallet. So groceries is $160. Home is $20. We are taking fuel back down to $200. I think my gas here is, what did I see? I think last I seen was $3.85. So that's like over 20 cents down from what it used to be a few weeks ago. And then for spending, we're doing 40. These have not changed. Eating out is 60. And then miscellaneous will be 10. I feel like I'm losing my voice. Okay. And then we are not doing a buffer. And I usually don't do those kind of things, or like therapy or medication, whatever. I try to leave myself a cushion for like all of July, part of June, and part of August, because my checks are the smallest at those times. So for my variable expenses, okay, so it is $890. I should have known that because I kept everything the same. And then I'm subtracting that from our leftover. So we have $719.71. Okay. So my savings and debt plan, we always do 75 for home maintenance. And then for Ally, we do 10. And then this time for my sinking funds, excuse me, because I have a little extra, I want to do 500 for the next 2 weeks. And where does that leave me? So we have 585, and I'm going to take that from 719. Okay, so then we have $134.71. and that is going towards my Discover. So my actual payment for Discover will be $534. So that makes this section $719.71 with 0 remaining. And that is how I finalize my paycheck. I do a budget the week before I get paid, and then either the day before or the day of I get paid, I go in and finalize my numbers, because I like to have a plan before any money hits my bank. That way, if the money is either higher or lower, I have somewhat of a plan of where I can cut from, or I have a plan of where I can allocate the extra to. If it comes in how I budgeted, then we're great. It's good to go. And that just works for me because I am a planner, and I kind of get thrown off with last minute things. And so I don't want to leave my budget to be a last minute thing. But that is how I do it. And that is all that I have for you guys. I thank you for staying to the end of this video. If you're not subscribed and you want to see more from this channel, then I encourage you to hit the subscribe button. I will see you guys in my next video, which should be my cash planning. And until then, I hope you have a wonderful day.